Hello, this is Attorney Doug Jones. I wanted to take just a minute and visit with you today about a topic we call crisis planning. And when that occurs usually is when the kids of a senior come into our office, kids being anywhere from 40 years old to 70 years old usually, and they say something like, Mom or Dad is in a nursing home, they're going to be discharged tomorrow, and they're going to be discharged to nursing home. What do we do? And I understand that these people that we're dealing with, the so-called kids, already have their plate full. They've got a job, they've got a family, they may have kids of their own at home, they've got all they can do, and then all of a sudden their mom or dad has had something bad happen, and they're the ones that's having to deal with everything. Usually they don't know all of the intimate details of mom and dad's business. Sometimes these kids live out of state or out of town, or even if they live in the same town, mom and dad have taken care of their own business, the kids have taken care of their own business, and certainly they don't know all of the intimate details of mom and dad's business. So now something bad's happened to mom or dad, and they've got to know everything they need to know, like right now. And that's a lot to soak in, not to mention the emotional impact of having had something traumatic happen to your mom or dad, and having to make decisions as to where do they go like 2 days from now when they're discharged from the hospital, and what type of care do they need, and am I doing the right thing, and how much will this cost, and can mom and dad afford to pay for it? So there's just a lot of unknowns, a lot of uncertainty. That's why it's important at a time like this to get with an elder law attorney that is familiar with the issues surrounding this and can break it down for you. There are some very critical issues in a situation like that. There's some time-sensitive issues. One of the first things is to make sure that your mom or dad's getting the best possible care. The skilled care nursing facility may be what is required, but it's not automatically what's required. There's some excellent home health care companies. There are excellent independent living facilities. There are excellent assisted living facilities, level 1 and level 2, that provide great assistance in situations where it's appropriate. And it's important to consider all of those. We have life care planners in our office that can meet with you, visit with you about those options, and help you make sure that you're doing the right thing. In many elder law attorneys throughout the nation, if you're in another state watching this, just know that an elder law attorney in your area may have a life care planner in their office that can visit with you about those issues. Also, how to pay for all of it. Private pay, is there long-term care insurance, Medicare, what will Medicare pay for, Medicaid, when will Medicaid kick in and pay for the huge cost of long-term care expenses. All of these are issues that need to be considered. We work with you, talk with you, help your mom and dad qualify for Medicaid as soon as possible. So there are a lot of very important issues in a crisis planning case. If this has happened in your family, to your mom or dad or spouse, just know that you do need to act quickly, but that help is available, and there's some good choices to be made even in this bad situation. Okay, till next time, this is Attorney Doug Jones. Have a good day.